Well, now we're gonna start our tutorial, the third part. So we're gonna be modeling this gray part. Okay, so let's see a picture, and we're done with this black part. Then we'll go to the buttons, but for now we'll go to this gray part. And well, now that you've seen it, let's start. So we're gonna go to edit mode, selecting this. Make a selection with Alt for all the loop around, then Shift D to duplicate, and then P to separate the selection. Okay, and now we're gonna choose this, hide, and also hide the empty, and now we're done with this. And we'll select this side of the psVita and delete, and we'll go and apply a mirror modifier here. We already got a surface because we had it in the past from where we duplicated. So okay, now let's go to the mirror modifier, the mirror, and well, the orientation is not right, so we'll do the same thing we did on the past tutorial. Center to the empty, then check clipping, and then we are about to start. Okay, let's just name this middle part, middle part underscore geo. I think that's the right word, underscore. Well, anyway, let's move it in the right place on Y. Okay, and now extrude it until here, and then again till here. Now let's see on the back, and I'll put a loop here, move it a bit, and now here, well, yeah, let's add one here. And okay, let's select these vertices through here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, delete, and now we got this shape where the button is where we're gonna place the button. So okay, now let's grab this loop. Make sure you don't grab anything else. Okay, and extrude on set. Okay, now we deselect this part, then go to the top view, extrude again. Okay, and let's fill up these faces. Okay, and F. Okay, now let's add an edge loop here and another one down here, just to give that extra detail. And well, as you can see, let's smooth it since it's not, and we got this normal problem. So let's go to the panel options, I don't know the name, but okay, let's press N button while edit mode, so we get this menu, mesh displayed. If it's object mode, you don't see it, so edit mode, then you see the normals here, face normals, and they're all messy. So let's Control N, and then they're all nice and facing the right way. Okay, so let's turn it off, and let's this is pretty much done. We have a few artifacts, but nothing an extra resolution can fix. Okay, I will probably go up to 4, but for now it's okay. So now let's go to this part down. Okay, here we go. Let's select these faces by selecting the vertices on the sides. Okay, and let's start extruding here and rotating. Extrude again. Let's rotate, extrude. Okay, let's just fix this. Okay, now let's just no. Okay, let's just leave it at the end. Okay, here again, let's grab this face, these two faces, extrude. Okay, let's rotate to put in place. And finally, let's get rid of those faces. Oh, well, yeah. Okay, faces. Now that I add that extra loop, well, I could delete these faces. I can. And now, let's fill these faces out. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, let's add extra detail so it's not so rounded. So round. Oh man. Yeah, remember, feel free to give me any sort of feedback. If the feedback is about my English, well, I still appreciate it. But come on, I'm not that great in English, so I'm doing my best. Anyway, let's tweak here. Now down here, since we got the subdivision surface modifier, we can see now how the mesh is gonna end. So let's just pull out these points and move them around. Same with this. Should I leave them like this? I think I should, yeah. For now it's fine. Okay. Well, I think it's time to... Okay, let's try this. Extrude up. Okay, now put the vertices. Okay. Now let's get the other ones. Oops, no, not there. Here. And again, no. Okay. Okay, so now it's over there. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the top part where we got the buttons, the power buttons and the volume buttons. So let's get started with this part. I'm yawning because this is the third time I do this part. I was trying to get it in less than 15 minutes, but then I said, well, I did it in less than 15 minutes, but then it was so hard to speak, so well, we'll see. If you rather not listen to me or speed up this thing, go ahead. I haven't found the option yet, but if you know where it is, let me know and I'll put it on my videos. Okay, let's hide this part and let's concentrate on this side. We leave the mirror modifier. Okay, I'm gonna add a few edge loops here. Just calculating because we're gonna add circles to make the holes. I think I used too many loops, but doesn't matter, I could always change them. I mean, delete them. Okay, this cannot be performed. Geometry to origin to geometry. Okay, so now let's scale it and position it into place where this metal part goes. Okay, that should be good. And now let's add some edge loops here. So I can get rid of this, make a hole here. Okay, delete vertices. And let's grab that. And let's place the 3D cursor here. So we can add the circle in the right place, so it's not above, beyond, or somewhere else. Okay, so okay, Shift S, cursor to selected. Now it's in place. We can move it here and you'll keep the same distance on the Z axis. Let's make it a vertices with F6, enter, and let's drag it down, scale in place, scale a little bit more, extrude. Now let's leave the extrusion at the end. Okay, let's just put these things in place. And well, this is not really working, so I'll get rid of some points. And yeah, it's not really working anyway, so even if I do this, so I'll just get rid of these loops and place this one. Okay, delete, and place this one in the right place. Okay, here and here, and then we'll add two more. Excuse me. Okay, and one more, and there we go. Now we can fill up the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, oops, I forgot to duplicate before doing this, so let's just select everything, duplicate, and X. Okay, now let's fill out these holes. Same with this, delete edge loops, scrap this edge loop, pull it down. Also this one over here and this one in the middle. Okay, there we go. Now let's start filling up the blanks again. Okay, okay, here we're done, and down here let's you know what, let's extrude from here. So okay, extrude, and here, extrude, and here, so we get a nice and even edge here, outer edge. Okay, fill up and fill it up. Now down here we'll use the same X. Okay, extrude X. Okay, and finally filling out the faces, F and F. Okay, so we're done with this part. I think I screwed up here. Okay, let's just select face, delete, and nothing happened. Something else I'm missing here. Okay, let's try with this one. No, not working. Vertex, no, it's not gonna work. So now where is the mistake? Okay, no. Okay, let's just get rid of this edge. So before this, let me see something. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Edges, delete edge. Okay, now we're good to go. F and F. Okay, we got those two buttons. Now we have to apply the mirror modifier on the other side. I think everything is fine here. Wait. Yep. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the mirror modifier so I can edit this other part where we only have one button, the power button. So let's delete this side. Okay. Edges. No faces. Oh well, what I did. Okay, now let's fill out the other parts. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's move this next. Okay. And now, well, now we have to make the buttons. Well, let's just place the edge loops here in the where we're gonna have this division, or however you call it. I think division is right. Okay, so let's add another edge loop here. Scale. Okay, scale it here so I get a nice and even edge. Okay, once more, and let's move it here. Okay, and down here. Okay, here and here and here. Let's just leave it there. Well, I'm falling asleep, but I'll finish this tutorial. At least this one for today. Okay, let's grab these faces, scale on X, and then on Z. Okay, X, a bit on Z. Okay, let's get rid of this face. Oops, face. There we go. Now let's move this one up so it's nice and even. Okay, same with this one. Tun 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 tun. Extrude, scale X, scale Y. Yeah, I said Z, but it's Y. It's really hard to speak and model, but I'm really enjoying it. So here I did the same thing in the past, and now I'm gonna select all the borders here where we're gonna extrude in to make that little hole, that little line hole. Okay, there we go. Once more. Once more. Extrude down on Z and extrude again. Just there. Okay. Now there's not enough resolution, so we're gonna add resolution in every near the corner. Okay, so see what happens. Right now, well, they're too rounded. I don't want that. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, and here another one here, and finally here, so we get those nice round shapes. And here we have it. Oh, almost forget the buttons. Okay, let's go ahead here. Okay, I'll extrude individual. Extrude. Scale a bit. We'll try to. No, didn't work. 0.002. No, didn't work. Okay, let's go back to the normal scaling. Okay, that'll be fine. Extrude, scale. Okay, that's fine too. And finally this part. Okay, scale, extrude the scale. Okay. Okay, and we just extrude it and pull it down. So now let's smooth this thing. Well, before, let me do something here. Let's get the button, extrude. Let's just place a little bit above. And now, again, well, I have to make sure I have a lid. There we go. And we have the buttons now. And let's grab this. Okay, now normals, Control N. Okay, so we're pretty much done with this tutorial. Let's just put it up a bit above normal. Okay, so now we are done with this part of the tutorial. Let's move on.